Okay, here is the final section of the review, areas of triangles. And these are 3 triangles that were copied and pasted from the first 6 problems on the review, which will make this a little bit easier. Number 9, you have a side-side-side triangle. And remember, when you're doing the areas, you need either side-side-side, side-angle side, or base and height. If you have side-side-side, that's when you use something lovingly and affectionately known as Heron's formula. I hope I'm spelling that right. Wouldn't want the Math League of America to come down and smite me. And Heron's formula is the formula where you first must find this pesky thing called the semi-perimeter. So I'll say the semi-perimeter is 5 plus 6 plus 2 all over 2. You simply find the perimeter and divide it by 2. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 2 is 13, divided by 2 is 6.5. And then once you find the semi-perimeter, your area is the square root. Wow, that was crazy. Is the square root of your 6.5 times, and then you do 6.5 minus each of the side lengths. So 6.5 minus 5, 6.5 minus 6, and 6.5 minus 2. And we will throw that in the calculator to get our answer. And I'm just going to throw that in one big swoop. I'm not going to work out each little bitty piece. Just throw it in. And our answer is 4.684. And that's our area for number 9. Not a whole lot to it. You just have to know that formula. I am not giving you formulas on the test, so make sure you know these. Let's see, number 10. On number 10, as the problem was originally given, you don't have, like, let me hide some of this stuff. There's too much going on here. There. Okay, so number 10, with the numbers you have, you can't find the area because, remember, for area, you either need side, 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 and I don't have all 3 sides. You need side, angle, side, and I do have 2 sides and an angle, but the angle is not between the 2 sides. I have this side, but this angle. That is not side, angle, side. And we definitely don't have base or height. I didn't give you either one of those 2. So we actually have to do a little bit of work to solve this problem. I think the side, angle, side formula is the easiest. So I would prefer to use side, angle, side. Since I know the side lengths of 2 and 5, if I could only get the angle Z, then I could use side, angle, side. So to solve this one, we would have to solve for it Z. And we've actually already done this. This is the same triangle from number 3. And so what I have right here are the answers from number 3. I'm not going to work it out a second time because I've already done that. And I know that Z is 85.64. Now, what I don't have, and this just dawned on me because I solved this problem a long time ago, is I don't have Z stored anywhere. So I'm actually going to very quickly work this problem on the side and solve for Z, and then I will come back and punch in my answer. So hang on just a second. All right, so I went through and I have Z now stored for A in my calculator. And when you have side angle side, this is 85.64. Your area for side angle side is real simple. It's 1/2 A times B, which in this case is 2 and 5, times the sine of the angle between them, 85.64, and we will simply throw this in the calculator. And throw it in the calculator, and you get 4.986 for your answer for number 10. So yeah, sometimes you don't have the right information, so you kind of have to fish around for it before you can actually solve. Number 11, the very last problem on the review. This is a nice problem. Even though I have X, Y, and Z labeled, I already have side, angle, side. So I can actually use that formula I just had. So the area is going to be 1/2 of side length times side length times the sine of the angle between them, and I will throw this in the calculator. So 1/2 times 5 times 2 times the sine of 48. I am in degree mode. Hit enter, and you get an area of 3.716. And so there's your answer for number 11. Nice, quick, simple section. A 5-minute video. When has that ever happened?